Quick warning, you probably can't watch this without yawning. Did you just feel it? Yawns are strangely contagious. But why? It's a real thing scientists call contagious yawning. And surprisingly, it's not really about being tired. It's social. Your brain is full of mirror neurons that copy what others do. See someone yawn, they fire, and you yawn right back. The closer you feel to a person, the more catching their yawn is. That's why a single yawn can ripple through an entire room. Even dogs can catch a yawn from their favorite human. One theory says yawning also helps cool down a warm brain. So a shared yawn is really a tiny sign of connection. Next time you yawn back, it just means you care. Stay curious.